Hello, in this video I'll show you how to automatically move learners from one team to another using the Smart Teams feature. Smart Teams is a feature that allows you to automatically add learners to the new team after they complete all the courses available to them in their current team. To set up Smart Teams, open the Manage Learners and Teams section, Teams tab. Select the team where the learner starts their learning journey and open its settings. Next, go to the Smart Teams section and activate this feature. After that, choose the team or teams where learners will be automatically added once they complete all available courses in their current team. If needed, you can select multiple destination teams, creating a full learning sequence across different stages. There are also two different transition conditions available. The first option is after course completion, where a learner moves to the next team once they finish all courses in the current one. The second one is days from enrollment date, where a learner is automatically moved to the next team after a specific number of days since being added to the current team. Smart Teams can also be configured for learners without a team in the No Team section. To do this, open this section and activate Smart Teams function. And choose the team where the learner will be automatically added after completing all available courses. Good luck with your academy!